everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care, and today is Wednesday and I'm out. Y'all know, I'm out here messing with these leaves again. Oh boy. I don't know. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about. Okay, here we go. You can see this one right here. It's got a lot of leaves on this side, in the back, over here on the side, all in the ditch area here. So I got to get in here and get all of this here all cleaned up. So as you can see, just looking at it, this here also, you see this portion right here along the sidewalk area, that too. Oh boy, it ain't stopping. These leaf jobs. Well, it's gonna be the last time I do this one for this year. Yeah, so let's get it looking good for the new year. So it's time for me to just get my blower out, fill it up with some gas. Yeah, I'm gonna be using that Echo. Yeah, the PB90 TNT. Oh yeah. So I'm finna use it. It's probably gonna take a tank of gas for me to get this one all cleaned up here, y'all. So yeah, these leaf jobs been wearing me out though, man. But let me I've been dreading them, y'all. I've been dreading doing these jobs. I tell you. But let me get this one taken care of. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I just finished up this leaf job. Oh, it was some work. It was some work, but I managed to get it. I don't know if I can give y'all a view of it. This here is the way it looks. It's dark. I know it's about 6 o'clock now, so it gets dark quick. So I had to work on it continuously to get all them leaves up and all. So the backyard, it took some time back there, but I got it. I got it all cleaned up and all. I had to go back over it a number of times to get all the leaves all mulched up, edged up, and trimmed around, the fence and all. So it took me some time, but I got it. So I'm glad to get down and over with. But I'm like, nah. Oh boy. Well, I'm finna see if I can get home now. And dust was kind of getting to me there. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get home here and get all cleaned up. Them leaves, oh man, I tell you, I've been getting a lot of them. That's why I be dreading them leaf jobs. They're time consuming. You got to go over the number of times just to, try to get all them leaves. And then if you try to bag all that stuff, oh man, you wind up with a lot of bags. And a lot of customers, they don't want to furnish bags or anything. So, you spend up more than you spend more you're gonna make furnishing the bags with them things. I mean, cause I got some lawns. Oh, let me see if I can turn the light on. Yeah, I got some lawns I've done, and I've had to spend like $30 in just bags, and I'm not making that much out of it. So I try to mulch much as I can, because it gets time consuming. And I understand, a lot of people don't have the money and they don't want to pay, but they want to get the service done. And sometimes what I end up doing, I'll just say it's not really worth it. No. But anyway, y'all, I got this done and I'm finna head on home. Y'all have a good evening. All right.